Guys, welcome to Cyberpunk, and in this video I'm showing how you can connect to your hosting and how to upload and download files by using FTP. So as you already know that FTP will help us to upload and download files, it's just a simple protocol. It's basically doesn't need, sometimes it doesn't actually need an app or an FTP client app, which means you can even connect to your FTP or your host by using your terminal alone, even command prompt, or using Linux terminal or something else, which also does have some utilities installed on our terminal like FTP get and FTP user or FTP client, such kind of stuff. But yeah, in my Android device I have a tool called FTP get. Let me check that. You will get this kind of options when you install BusyBox. Sorry. So as you can see here, if sorry, some problems with my throat. Okay, here I have FTPD, that's an option, and FTP get, FTP put, if user, and these are the options you can connect to your FTP with FTP to your hosting. Where some other means is that, so the first and primary thing that you have to do is you have to create an account somewhere, like any hosting website. Well, I recommend 000 web host, but it's a free hosting, and also you will get an FTP option as well. So you doesn't get SSH or something, and only you will get FTP. And if you're a paid user, yeah, of course you will get SSH feature as well. So where you can find this option is by going to the file manager section, and under the file manager category you will find the FTP details. So all you want to do is to just copy this host name and the username. Then the password is the same as when you created your account. You have a password, so you have to enter the same password here too. Alright, so done that, and after then just minimize this, and you have to download this app called and FTP. You can download that for free from the Play Store. So then after that, open the and FTP and simply make a connection by tapping the plus icon. I already made a connection, so this is my connection. I'm gonna hit edit. So from where you can see my host name and the username. So I have my password entered, and all these things were done. And you don't have to look at the advanced or synchronized section. That's kept it as it is. Alright, so all you need to do is just enter the port. No, the port is 21 itself, so set as it is, and then you have the username and the password. So enter these informations and then hit save. You have to give a name, and that's all. You don't have to care about all these connections that I created for different purposes. But in our demonstration here, we have this 888. So just tap on that 888 and done that. You just connect it to your hosting. As you can see, it's authenticating, and from then you'll be in your hosting cPanel section on your file manager. So here you can create a folder. So hit a folder called Cyberpunk just for this demonstration purpose. So now it has created a folder called Cyberpunk. Now let's see the changes happened here. So now let's go to the file manager section. Under the file manager category you can see this option called upload now. and the settings on all these interface will change according to the website that you choose for hosting. And while in this case, let's wait. Alright, now my internet is a bit slow. Now it's too slow. Alright, so now I'm in my cPanel section. Let me authenticate one more time. Cookies is a problem, so I have already saved all these things, so all you want to do is hit the login. So now I'm on my cPanel section, and okay, manage my website, and take a bit time, sorry. So going to the file manager again, and from now I can see my file manager section. So upload now, and there you go, boom. So as you can see there, I have my file manager category, and as we just made, alright, I think, yep. So we just created a folder called Cyberhunk, and we can upload and download files from that folder and to the folder as well. So my file manager is loading, and there you go. Let's go to the parent directory, and here you go. You can see the Cyberhunk folder. I just created that. So here you can upload the files, and I will show you how to upload that. So from here you have to go to the folder that you have created, and you can choose any folder and just tap on the phone icon, and here you can upload any files. In my demonstration, I'm uploading this screenshot just for demonstration purpose, and now it's uploading, and it's a pretty fast process. There's no lagging in that. So after uploading, yep, done, upload completed, and now let's go to and refresh this folder right away. So as you can see, there will be the image that he uploaded, and when the magic happens, where it's a simple protocol, FTP. So I would recommend to use SFTP or FTP secure. That will be more like more safe. So here's a screenshot that I've uploaded, and by this you can upload and download files. That's a kind of simple process. In my case, I just marked that file I have to download, and just tap on this download icon, and that file will be downloaded. And skip that, okay, and one download complete. So this is how you can upload and download files from hosting by using FTP. So you can either use your terminal for this purpose, as I already mentioned, and you can use a tool called NCNetCat. It's Netcat for FTP, or you can use a FTP get utility, FTP get. So as you can see, download files via FTP. So you don't need any kind of FTP client. That's not mandatory. You can use your terminal, or you can either use your command prompt in Windows for this kind of purpose. That utility might be installed pre-installed. Okay, so you can either use Netcat for this purpose. All you have to do is just type the NC Netcat, and the website we have to make a connection by using FTP. In my case, I am choosing this website called and then the port is 21. So now you can see that as you can see, welcome to Pure FTP. Your user number 3 of 1000 allowed. Local time is now, and you can see you'll be disconnected after 50 minutes of inactivity. So I don't even logged in. So after authenticating, you'll be able to transfer files. Let me show you a better example. And see, let me get the super user permission. And that's not a mandatory case, so just type nc and www.dqa.com. This is just for demonstration purpose, I don't even visited this website. I saw somewhere, that's all. Let's wait. Welcome to Windflower FTP server. And now let's wait. Oh, my network is down, so that might be the reason. The process is a bit slow. Okay, I think it's almost done with that process. Okay, just let me type help and might help. Yep, there you go. From here you can authenticate with the username by typing user. Just type the user and then the pass, and type your password to authenticate with the FTP server. And that's how you make a connection by using your terminal. You can use this app called @FTP, or there are tons of other apps. You can use anything or anyone. Okay, so that's it for this video, and I'll be making some more videos regarding some networking terminologies and like FTP and some other kind of stuff. So keep updated with Cyberhunk, and yeah, that's all. As I already mentioned, we can meet on the next video, and then it's Ben signing off. Peace.